here we have some problems involving ordered pairs. An ordered pair is a set of numbers like that, in parentheses, where the first value is the x and the second value is the y. And that's a point you might plot on a graph or use in an equation, but remember the first one's always x, the second one's always y. In this first question it says, for the equation 3x plus y equals 7, find the missing value in each ordered pair. And so we have question mark, comma 25, and 8, comma question mark. Well, these are ordered pairs, so this is the x and this is the y. If I want to find the x for this y, I can plug in the y in this equation and then solve it for x. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got 3x plus, and I'm putting in 25 for y, equals 7. So now we need to solve this for x. So let's see, we need to get rid of this extra term here. So I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides. So we've got 3x equals negative 18. And then we're going to divide both sides by 3. And so we get x equals negative 6. So in the missing pair there, we got negative 6, comma 25. Now in this missing pair, we've got the x. We don't have the y. So we're going to plug in 8 in place of x. So this equation becomes 3 times 8 plus y, which is what we're looking for, equals 7. So 3 times 8 is 24, plus y equals 7. And to solve for y here, all I have to do is get rid of this 24 by subtracting, and we get y equals a negative 17. Let's try another. So this one says, which ordered pair does not satisfy the relation 2x minus y equals 1? So one of these ordered pairs is not going to come out true. So the way to solve this is to plug each of these in. And remember, the first one's x, the second one's y. So if we did that, we'd plug in 1 for x and 2 for y. Let's try and see if that works. So 2 times 1 minus 2 equals 1. Is that true? So 2 times 1 is 2, minus 2 equals 1. Well, no, it doesn't. It actually equals 0. So this is not true. So we got lucky. We found it on the first try. Let's just plug in another one of these to see how it works when it really does satisfy the relation. So let's try this one. X is 4, so we'd have 2 times 4 minus y is 7 equals 1. So that would be 8 minus 7 equals 1. And that is true. And these others would check out as true as well. And the first one did not, so that's the one that doesn't satisfy the relation. So that's a little bit of work with ordered pairs.